Ge tumari kiwoyo. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is ge. Because today, on our episode at One Korean Word a Day, we're going to discuss about the word ge. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 109. Ge. Ge. This word is composed of just one syllable. Pronounce it with me. Ge. Ge. The word ge is simply the Korean noun for dog. It's easy to remember because just like the English translation, it has 3 letters when it is romanized. How do we spell ge in Hangul? As mentioned, it's just composed of one syllable. And to be able to write it in Hangul, we need to draw first a giyok character followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine these characters to form the Hangul of the word ge. Again, it's ge. Now that we know that the meaning of the word ge is dog, let's try to understand this example sentence. It says, I raised 2 dogs. The Korean translation of this English sentence is ge tumari kiwoyo. Again, ge tumari kiwoyo. Let's look into the details of each of the part of the sentence. First of all, our word for today is ge, and we already know that its meaning is dog. The next part of the sentence is do. And do is simply just number 2 in Korean. And take note that in Korea, they always use a counter along with a number. Since we have number 2, it has to have a counter. And since this time we are counting animals, the animal counter for Korean is mari. Again, mari is just the animal counter, and this will go along with do, which means number 2. So when we say ge do mari, it means 2 dogs. The last part of the sentence is kiwoyo, and this is just the Korean for growing or raising. So when I say ge kiwoyo, it means I raise a dog. Therefore, if we combine all of this, when we say ge tumari kiwoyo, it means that I raise 2 dogs. And if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence ge tumari kiwoyo is simply I raise 2 dogs. And if you would remember, we already studied about the word goyangi, which means cat. And today we studied about ge, which means dog. And so far, we already have 2 animal nouns on our vocabulary. And with that, you've just learned ge. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 99 to 108. But don't forget our word for today, word 109, ge, which is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is undong, which is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is gongbu, which is the Korean noun for studies. Word number 106 is sarange, which is an informal way of saying, I love you. Word number 105 is mukbang, which is the Korean noun for eating broadcast. Word number 104 is orenmania, which means long time no see. Word number 103 is gajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't go. Word number 102 is hajima. This is another imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. Word number 101 is tala. This is an adjective which means to be different. Word number 100 is sonja, and this is the Korean noun for grandchild. And the last for our review is word number 99, ader, and this is the Korean noun for son. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.